Hello children. Today we are going to learn General Knowledge Part 1. First lesson, Animal Close-up. Moose. It is the largest member of the deer family. It is found in the northern part of Europe and Asia and in North America. Next one, Tapir. This sturdy, hoofed mammal closely related to the horse and rhinoceros. Sturdy means strong. Hoofed mammal. The example of hoofed mammal are rhinoceros, horse, giraffes, deer, and antelopes. These animals have a hard nail-like case called a hoof covering each toe on their feet. It lives in tropical rainforest. It has short legs and a short and flexible trunk. Third one is okapi. It is the member of the giraffe family. It lives in the rainforest around the Congo River in Africa. It has distinct white stripes on its legs. Next one, impala. Impala is a species of antelope. Antelope is a swift-running deer-like ruminant with smooth hair and upward pointing horns. It is found in the savanna regions and the woodlands of central and southern Africa. It has a glossy reddish brown coat. Next one, orangutan. It is the second largest ape after the gorilla. It is found in the rainforest of the Southeast Asian islands of Borneo and Sumatra. Next one, jaguar. Jaguar is the member of the cat family. It is found in the Central and South America. It has yellow to reddish brown fur covered with black spots. Next lesson is President and Prime Ministers of India. First one, Dr. Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee is an Indian politician who served as the 13th President of India from 2012 until 2017. Mukherjee has been a senior leader in the Indian National Congress. He was born at Meerut in West Bengal. He was awarded India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, and the second highest civilian award of the Republic India, Padma Vibhushan. Second one, Pratibha Patil. She was the 12th President of India from 2007 to 2012, the first and only woman President of India till date. She was born at Nandgaon in Maharashtra. Next, Dr. Zakir Hussain and Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. They were presidents who died while holding the office. Zakir Hussain Khan was an Indian economist and politician who served as the third President of India from 13 May 1967 until his death on 3rd May 1969. He previously served as Governor of Bihar from 1957 to 1962 and as Vice President of India from 1962 to 1967. He was born at Hyderabad. He was awarded India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. He was an Indian lawyer and politician who served as the fifth President of India from 1974 to 1977. He was also the second President of India to die in harness. He was born in Delhi. Next, APJ Abdul Kalam. Abul Pakir Jainul Abidin Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born at Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. He was awarded India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, the second highest civilian award of India, Padma Vibhushan, and the third highest civilian award of the Republic India, Padma Bhushan, etc. Next, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was an Indian philosopher, academic, and statesman who served as the first Vice President of India and the second President of India. His birth anniversary is celebrated as Teachers' Day. He was born at Tiruttani in Tamil Nadu. He was awarded India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna. Next, Indira Gandhi. Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi was the first and to date only female Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of India. She was born at Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. She was awarded India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna. Next, P.V. Narasimha Rao. Paramulparthi Venkata Narasimha Rao was an Indian lawyer and politician who served as the ninth Prime Minister of India from 1991 to 1996. He was fluent in many languages. He was born at Leknepalli in Andhra Pradesh. Next one, H.D. Devagowda. Haradanahally Dodegowda Devagowda was the 11th Prime Minister of India from 1st June 1996 to 21st April 1997. He was previously the 14th Chief Minister of Karnataka from 1994 to 1996. He was the only Prime Minister from Karnataka. He was born at Hardanahalli in Karnataka. Next, Morarji Desai. Morarji Ranjotji Desai was an Indian independence activist. He served between 1977 and 1979 as the fourth Prime Minister of India. The Prime Minister who took office at the age of 81 and died at the age of 99. He was born at Valsad in Gujarat. He was awarded Nishani Pakistan. Nishani Pakistan is the highest civilian award and decoration of Pakistan bestowed by the President for the highest degree of service to the citizens of the country as well as foreign nationals, and the India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna. Next, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was an Indian politician who served as the second Prime Minister of India. He promoted the White Revolution. White Revolution is a national campaign to increase the production and supply of milk by supporting the Amul Milk Cooperative of Anand in Gujarat and creating the National Dairy Development Board. He died in Tashkent in the former USSR. He was born he was born at Mughalsarai in Uttar Pradesh. Next, VP Singh. Vishwanath Pratap Singh was an Indian politician, government official, and royal who was the seventh Prime Minister of India from 1989 to 1990. He was also served as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. He later became the Minister of Defence and Minister of Finance. He was born at Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. Next, Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Ragna Gandhi was an Indian politician who served as the sixth Prime Minister of India from 1984 to 1989. He took office after the 1984 assassination of his mother, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, to become the youngest Indian Prime Minister at the age of 40. The youngest Prime Minister who was a commercial pilot before he joined politics. He was born in Mumbai. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian independence activist, the first Prime Minister of independent India. He held the post of Prime Minister for 17 consecutive years. He was born at Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. He was awarded India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna. Next, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who served 3 terms as the Prime Minister of India, first for a term of 13 days in 1996, then for a period of 13 months from 1998 to 1999, followed by a full term from 1999 to 2004. The first Prime Minister to deliver a speech in Hindi at the United Nations. He was born at Gwalior in Madhya Pradesh. Dr. Manmohan Singh. Manmohan Singh, who served as the 13th Prime Minister of India from 2004 to 2014. His birthplace, Gah, is a village which is now in Pakistan. He was the former governor of the Reserve Bank of India. He is the only Sikh to become the Prime Minister of India. He was born at Gah in Pakistan. Here ends your part 1. Students, please write down all the answers of pages 7 and 8 of your GK textbook. Thank you.